Hello everybody, here is Milan Marco, and next video we are going to the build perfect pen. I come across about this idea like a couple of years ago, maybe like 10 or 15 years ago, when it wasn't really like 3D printing so popular, and it was very hard to make prototypes. And I was thinking like, how can I make like perfect pen what I wish how to be? So I have like a list of couple of requirements for perfect pen for me, and I think for many people around, and I can list it very quickly now. It's first, must be cheap, of course, must be cheap. It means very less parts and cheap parts, of course, only plastic. So it means there are only two parts, that's it. Second must be short as possible, maximum short, it could be even shorter, but whatever. Third, it must be not pressing from here, because a couple of times I had it in my jacket, in my pocket, and in my back pocket, and you know, and sometimes I'm pressing and then come up this feel and it hurt me, or make some scratches, or damage my trousers or my jacket, and it wasn't really good. So only turning. So it was third point. And the last point, of course, is very important. I don't really know why pens company doesn't do that or don't do that. It's, look at this, it's a triangle. I see in my life only once a pen which was triangle, but it makes complete sense, because when you're writing, you are holding it, it's holding so good, so comfortable. And compare these pens, you know, it's very thick, and here it's so nice, it's so light compared to these pens. I just took randomly 3 pens. So now I can show you in CAD actually how it really looks like inside, that you understand. So here you can see the perfect pen. It's basically, how I say, just 2 parts, and let's take it apart. There is a pen refill. I just took one type. There are different types, of course, and maybe the length depends. So now let's have a look on the tube holder. So you can see there is a like one teeth only, because when we check the cover, the bottom part, there is like a small thread, just one rotation of thread. It's very easy, very simple, and yeah, you can download the parts under the video, and you can have a look. Is it freaking again, and it's very simple to make. So now let's have a look on the tube holder or refill, and you can see here is holder only by the friction. When I put it in the refill, it's holding by friction, and here is the one teeth, and it's very simple, as you can see, very simple, very easy, and of course very cheap. Okay, so now come back to the pen, and I'm gonna build it. So very easily, it is like some screw, you know, and very easily, and we just built one of these pens, doesn't matter which one. So look at this, for instance, this pen, yeah, so many parts, so many, one, two, this is a rubber, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, even the spring is here. Here only 2 parts, and you push it here. It's a standard length, like 190, 99, I think. You just measure it very quickly. How much is it? 96 or 97 is the standard. Oh no, 107, 168. So 107, let's say, the standard. So I put it here very easily, print it, push it there, and no spring, nothing. You just have to find where is the correct side. It's here and here. See, I put it here, and it's going a little bit harder, which is good. And now at the end, how you saw in the cut, it's so, and you write it perfectly. So let's take some. Perfect. So nice, man. So easy, so good holding with this triangle in shape, you know, and wow, so light. Let's compare these pens. So light, so easy. So guys, this this is for me the perfect pen, and only 2 parts, and it's cheap because I lose all the time somewhere, forget pens. So this is like, it takes like I don't know, like 35-40 minutes printing, and that's it. Yeah, and print material is very cheap, you know, filament, and that's why I printed for PLA here, and not really nice. I know it could be better, but here is fine. He's absolutely okay, and it's good. Perfect. So let me show you some history how I did it, and there are actually all this stuff. Actually, I designed it very quickly, like in 1.5 hours, something like that. And I just take this regular pen away. So here is the pen. Perfect pen. So here are all these parts what I used and what I was testing. Yeah. For instance, here I was testing if it's enough. It was first not really good, so I was testing here, and so I was testing, for instance, here from outside, you know, it's only one, this here, and it didn't really work properly, and I could have much less tries. Look at them. I made one mistake because I was doing, like, there was a screw around, but I cut it with some other. So basically, there was some mistake, my mistake, from other shape in cut program with FreeCAD, and that's why I took it so many tries. But it's still not much tries when you look at this. Still to come to the perfect. Oh, here is it. So not many tries, if you see that, and I got to the perfect pen basically, and works absolutely perfect. Good. It's cheap, easy, light, and this triangle shape is perfect. So now, under this video, you can find all the files, cut files in FreeCAD, in step files, or STL, wherever you want, you can print it. And of course, if you like it, share it with your friends. I don't ask for some subscribing or likes, I don't really care, as you know. And if you really like, you can donate me, support me to buy more filaments and do more things in this YouTube channel, make it better. It is Milan, take care, and see you in the next video.